Let's take a basic look at how to make a component in Figma. Start by pressing T for the Type tool, click on the canvas, and Type button. Click off the text, press F for the Frame tool, and draw a frame around the text. Select the text and the frame, then click Auto Layout from the right-hand panel. Adjust the padding to fit the text as you like. Round the corners of the frame for a polished look. With the frame selected, go to the top menu and click Create Component. The frame will turn purple, showing it's a component. Components can be reused. They appear in your Assets panel and can be used across documents. To use a component, drag it from the Assets panel. The original component has a solid diamond icon, while instances have an outlined diamond icon. Editing the original component, like changing padding, updates all instances. Change the text in each instance without affecting the original. For example, create a Submit button and an OK button. Components can be nested. You can create new components using multiple components. For interactive elements like hover or click states. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.